Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my 6th birthday series. This is my 6th year of doing a birthday series. Now if you're new to the channel, what exactly is a birthday series? So my birthday is on the 11th of September. So every year in the month of September, I post a bunch of videos. The age that I'm turning is the number of videos that I have been posting. So last year I turned 26 and I posted 26 long form videos in the month of September. However, it's going to be a little bit different from this year onwards. Since I am turning 27, I didn't want to post 27 videos only because I really wanted to prioritize quality over quantity. So from this year onwards, I'm going to be posting one video every alternate day. So in the month of September, you're going to be getting 15 videos from me, which is still a lot more than what I usually post. But you will be getting one video every single day from me in the form of shorts. So I will be posting 15 long form videos and 30 shorts. Other than that, I also do have giveaways every single day. We've made sure to curate giveaways in a very wholesome manner. So there are products right from your hair care, your body care, your skin care, makeup in every single giveaway. So that's the basic outline for this year's birthday series. Now, let's hop into today's video. You've already seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title, you know what's about to happen. Basically, I checked off a few things off of my bucket list, and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video. Starting off with flying business class. Now, this isn't the first time that I've flown business class, but previously when I did, I had gone with a brand. So it wasn't something that I paid for. Obviously, I've always wanted to fly business class, like buying my own tickets. And this time around, it actually happened by fluke. So we were going to Dubai to shoot our birthday series. Spoiler alert, stay till the end of the video to know more about it. But we went to Dubai for actually work and plus to shoot our intro. And this is something that we always do. We ask what is the price for an upgrade to business class. So going in, we had bought economy flights, which costed us 25,000 rupees from Mumbai to Dubai. And when asked about the upgrade, we were told that it would be an additional 35,000 rupees. So the total coming up to 60,000 rupees if we wanted to upgrade. And in our heads, we thought that it was a good deal and we took it, and that's how we basically flew business class last minute. So even though it was by fluke, we did tick it off our bucket list. To say the least, it was a great experience. We had such a blast. Obviously, the food, the seats, everything is just so comfortable and luxe. But more so, it was a feeling of achievement, which really made it so beautiful. Now, coming to the birthday intro. This is something that keeps me up at night because I feel like every year I need to do better, and I hope that I've done better. Of course, you guys let me know in the comments down below, but I quickly just want to go through the evolution of my intros almost. So that was my first ever intro that I made. It was very like cutesy birthday girl vibe. It was shot in my first ever studio. It was shot by Aditya, edited by me. It's a cute video. The second intro was a lockdown intro. Again, shot by Aditya, edited by me. And that is where I came across What a Wonderful World song, and that has been my intro, like my regular intro song for years now. Clearly quite obsessed with that quote.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
I think out of all the intros that I've made, that one has a special place in my heart. I don't know why, I just love that intro. The third intro was also a semi-lockdown intro, but we were able to go out, but we had to be like masked up. Again, that was also shot by Aditya, edited by me. It was a very cute intro.
It's all because I'm working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself and me. Drinking coffee, take a sip, they say I'm sparkling. Manifest it, write it down, you know it's happening.
The fourth intro was when I got a lot of appreciation. It was a high production video and it kind of showed a transition of me like growing up almost.
Give me some!
Coming to last year's intro, which we shot in Thailand. We went to Thailand to shoot that video. It's a very cute video, very like me.
My life is sweet like cinnamon. Look and dream I'm living it.
Okay, coming to this year's intro. So let me start off by explaining my vision to you guys. I love the song The Nights by Avicii. It makes me feel alive. I love the song, the lyrics, everything about that song. So I have always wanted to get that quote tattooed somewhere on my body. The quote being, "Your wild heart will live for younger days." And since this year I am turning 27, I'm getting closer to my 30s. My 20s are coming towards an end, almost towards the end. Now I'm at a point where I have to say that I'm in my late 20s. I felt like this was the perfect time to get that tattooed. And over the years, I have really grown up and I feel like I'm in a very comfortable space where I am very comfortable in me and I'm very excited for adventure. So that is exactly what I wanted to encapsulate in this year's intro. This year's intro is a little bit different. The previous 5 intros of mine have been very like cutesy. This one's more like fun. You're gonna see a little bit of a different vibe from me. So I wanted the video to start off with me getting that tattooed on my hand and then me jumping out of the plane. That was the vision that we had in mind. And now without any further ado, I'm gonna play my this year's birthday intro.
These are the nights that never die. My father told me.
27 and living is what I wanted to really capture. And you guys let me know in the comments what you thought about it. But I feel like the reason why I've added 27 and living is because I feel like this year I am really like living my life. Everything that I've always wanted to do, I'm getting a chance to do. I got married this year. It's a new phase of life. I finally settled down into this new phase of life. I'm excited to travel the world. As you can see, I've been doing a lot more of that this year and I hope to continue to do that. So that's why 27 and living. As I mentioned, this is a very different intro of mine. I hope you guys liked this video. Please let me know in the comments down below whatever you felt about it, your comments, your opinions. I'm happy to read and talk to you guys in the comments down below. Now, both Aditya and I have always wanted to skydive. It's something that's been on our bucket list, but we never really planned for it all these years. And this time around, when we were going to Dubai, we knew we had to do it. So skydiving in Dubai is very popular because of the views that you're able to take in, and the safety regulations are top notch, which make me feel even more comfortable. So approximately the price that we ended up paying per person was 65,000. This is including all the videos, the reels that they shoot and edit for you. Of course, I did vlog that experience. So roll the clips now.
Hi, good morning. It is the morning of I was going for skydiving. I'm feeling okay, like I don't really feel any emotion. I'm not nervous, I'm excited but not super excited. I'm feeling very neutral towards it right now. It has been changing literally every few hours, but I'll see you once I'm ready and we can also ask Aditya what he feels this morning.
And we are off. How do you feel?
Excited, pumped.
Are you nervous?
Little bit.
About?
Just the thought of falling from such a height.
I'm actually very excited about the fall, but I'm just like 1% तो ऐसा होता है ना कि कुछ गलत ना हो जाए. Like
नहीं होता.
this is what it looks like. Done with all the procedures. Our bands are on and now we're just supposed to wait. We've been given a buzzer, so it'll buzz and then we're supposed to go. And I guess they'll like strap us up, give us instructions and all of that. But till then, we just wait. How long has it been, Aditya, since we're waiting?
Almost 1 hour.
And we're just waiting. I mean, obviously we knew कि time लगने वाला है. But yeah.
Boring to do.
And also, if you're, it's like a build up almost, like leading up to that moment.
पूरा adrenaline उतर गया.
It's time.
Of course, Mridul had to take another t-shirt because she's not wearing the right kind of t-shirt for this.
Do you have anything small?
We literally searched the whole of Dubai Mall yesterday for an appropriate t-shirt for her. But still.
Had to change into this. मैंने specifically pink पहना था because मुझे pink पहनना था, but whatever. Anyway, see you on the other side, I guess.
Mridul,
Yes.
welcome to Skydive Dubai.
Thank you.
How are you feeling today?
I'm super excited.
Is this your first time skydiving?
It is my first time. Yes.
Are you nervous at all?
Not really. I'm very excited.
Have you met your instructor?
I have. Yes.
And he's explained what to do?
Yes. I think so. I think I figured. I mean, registered everything in my mind.
Do you have any last questions or message?
No, I'm excited. That's it.
You ready? Alright, let's do it. See
Thank you.
Hello my friend, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Skydive Dubai. How are you today?
I'm doing good.
Good?
Yes, very excited.
Excited to jump?
Yes, excited to jump.
Awesome my friend. Did you understand instructions? You understood everything?
Yes, all good.
Yeah? You want to say anything before we go, brother? Anything to say?
No, just excited. Let's do
Excited?
this.
Ready to jump?
Yes.
Ready to go?
Ready to go.
Awesome my friend. Enjoy. Have fun. Bye bye.
Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Hello brother, welcome back.
Yes,
How was
finally
that?
done it. Yes, it was amazing. The view is crazy.
Enjoyed it?
I enjoyed it thoroughly.
Awesome my friend,
Amazing.
awesome. Thank you so much. You gonna jump again?
Yes, definitely I will. Thank you so
Beautiful,
much.
brother. Thank you so much. See you next time then,
See
okay?
you next time.
Have a good day. Bye bye. What was that?
Oh, that was insane.
Huh?
The world looks so small from up there.
Not so scary.
No, it was amazing.
So maybe you try again someday.
I will, for sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
the
you.
land's
It's
good?
amazing.
Everything good?
Everything's good.
Thanks for jumping at Skydive Dubai.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Just got done with our dive. How was it?
Amazing, to be honest. The view is killer.
Oh yeah, the view is insane. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था कि it was like a miniature world.
Yeah.
Everything just looked so tiny. It was beautiful.
The first 10 seconds of the free fall.
Oh, I think
It's
that
a
was the
different
best.
experience altogether.
That was the best. And also when he like turns you around
Yeah, in the parachute.
in the parachute, that was also
It's
so
like a
fun.
moving roller coaster.
बहुत मजा आया. Like I would totally do this again and again and again.
Gardan or
Yeah, like your back and also your what would you call it?
groin area.
Yeah, like your groin area because
Because,
उसपे
yeah, parachute.
वो जो harness
is
है
tied, yeah.
वो एकदम pressure आता
Every time
है.
he turns it, basically it twists. But overall बहुत मजा आया.
If I had to explain the whole experience in one word, it would probably be alive. Like I felt so alive. It was so exhilarating. It was so much fun. I feel like if you are someone who loves that rush, it's something that you need to do once in your life. And with that, we have come towards the end of the video, but we're not going to end the video right here. We have to throw in today's giveaway before that. Now it's time to say goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe because as I said, so many new videos coming your way. Like this video. I'll see you day after. Bye.